This is the Ashley Scranton sofa in gray, and we absolutely love this sofa. It's got some texture, but it isn't too textured. It's a medium firmness. It's not too squishy and it's not too firm. This is a 3-seater sofa with a recliner on each end, and it also has, as you can see here, not a completely flat to the ground back, and it's kind of angled. And then how you use the recliner is you just pull the lever here and it just pops out. And then it's very simple to put back in. You just push it back in when you are ready. The middle portion here is fixed. It is a little bit more firm than the recliners on each side, but it's a wonderful couch.